All right, so I had her fired up. We were getting ready to go test drive it, and then Scotty was going to give her a bath. Fired her up, and I go to put her in gear, and it does not go into gear, which doesn't make a lick of sense. I mean, the shifter goes into gear, but it doesn't drive.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make sure we're in gear, and we're going to lift it back up, and we're going to see what is going on in here. Because the only thing we changed was output shaft seal on the trans and the drive shaft, which is correct for the car.
All right, let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got. All right, so car... Ow, that exhaust was hot, motherfucker. I thought that was the drive shaft. That would have been funny as hell on video, though. Anyway, car's in gear. What the fuck is going on here? So we have the... This is weird. All right, let's see what we got going here. All right, Scotty, so we pulled the drive shaft out.
I had something that was running through my mind. I'm like, we didn't do anything to the transmission. We didn't disassemble the transmission. We didn't touch the clutch. We didn't... Nothing.
Not a damn thing.
And I was like, something's just not right.
So this drive shaft is for this car. The dimensions, the length is right. The U-joint is right.
Actually,
Scotty,
off from factory.
Like
but I mean, if you
when you
break it all down, you're looking at everything.
Our issue is here in the yoke. Watch, new drive shaft. Crappy way of measuring, but look, my finger goes all the way in before it touches the spline. Old drive shaft, I'm touching the spline. Look at that's what, ½ inch.
Yep.
5/8. So anyway, obviously we can't put this yoke on here.
Because they are, so that they can see it, everything.
They do have different type of U-joints.
Yep, it's completely different.
So I need to get us a longer yoke, or one that's full spline, or almost full spline.
Yep.
For this new drive shaft. So what we're going to do, so Joey can have his car back, so he can drive it, and actually enjoy it, is we're going to pop our old one in, so it's drivable. I'm going to get us the right yoke, and I'm going to yell at our drive shaft people. And that's where we're going to go, because everything is fucking neutral. It was weird. Fun, right? Right, Scotty?
Yeah, something like that.
Do you hate cars yet? Yes. A little bit. Yeah.
I'm not going to use that type of language. I get pretty bad, but I'm not going to use that type of language.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm that angry right now.
So, Joey, you can still come get her tomorrow, take her home. No street racing.
Yeah, no street racing, young man.
No wheels up passes.
Daddy will take the keys away from you. You better be good.
Uh-oh. Anyway, so we're going to pop the old one in so you can drive her and have your car back. I'm going to get us a yoke, and then we will swap that baby out.
And we'll make scrambled eggs for you.
I don't know about that.
Well, you got to break a couple of yolks to make eggs.
Oh, you funny guy. All right, so we're going to put this in so we can drive it and wash it, and you can take your baby home.